If you've ever tried to take your kid's temperature in the middle of the night, you know how tricky that can be, especially when they're fussy or half asleep. That's exactly why I picked up the GoodBaby no-touch forehead thermometer, and honestly, it's made things so much easier. This thermometer uses infrared technology, so you can get a quick, accurate reading without ever touching the skin. You just point it about 1.5 inches from the forehead, press the button, and boom, the result pops up in less than a second on the big backlit screen. It even lets you switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, which is nice if you're used to one over the other. One thing I really like is how versatile it is. You can use it for adults, kids, and even check the temperature of objects or rooms. Perfect for baby bottles or bath water. Plus, it comes ready to go right out of the box with 2 AAA batteries included, and it's very affordable at around $19.99. The build quality feels solid too. The ABS plastic housing has a nice grip, and the display is super clear, even in the dark. The silent mode is a thoughtful touch for nighttime readings, and it also has an automatic shutoff to save battery life. Now, it's not completely perfect. You do need to make sure the room temperature is stable for the most accurate results, and waiting about 10 seconds between readings is recommended. But once you get used to that, it's pretty foolproof. After using it for a few weeks, I'd honestly give the GoodBaby thermometer a 9 out of 10. It's accurate, affordable, and incredibly convenient for families, especially with kids or infants. If you're looking for a reliable, no-contact thermometer that actually does what it promises, this one's definitely worth checking out. You'll find the Amazon link in the description below.